Good morning, Park Terrace. How are you feeling today after a kind of a rainy, cold weekend, but it's supposed to be beautiful this week. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tell you what we're normally going to be doing at Park Terrace, and hopefully you can send me some of your videos, your journals, your pictures, all the stuff that you've been submitting to me already, and hopefully you can do it in the form of bat striking, hitting, anything that involves rackets or anything like that. And I brought my good friend, you can see in the picture right here. That's Mr. Wallinga from Northpoint. He's the elementary physical education teacher over there. And that's his daughter, Marin. And they're going to show us some different striking and hitting skills that you can use. And again, they're creative over there as well as we are at Park Terrace. And they're going to show us what we can do. Because normally this would be our unit, our batting, our striking, our hitting, baseball, softball, badminton, tennis. But they're going to show you a couple things with volleyball, striking with the hands, and then using a paddle on a racket. So let's check out this video, and I'll kind of talk through it, and hopefully you can do the same thing this week. Get outside, have a beautiful week. Let's check out this video. It's awesome.
Hey Northpoint, I put up a new flip grid, and I'm going to put this on Seesaw, and it's for all grades, K through 4. What we're going to do this week is we're going to hit the ball with pickleball rackets. That's going to be our second activity, but it's striking, it's batting, and it's using a racket. And you can use a tennis ball racket. I have pickleball rackets, racquetball rackets, anything. Striking is with your hands, so we're going to go volleyball style. Are you ready? You can play keep it up or tip it up. You can use a beach ball, any kind of ball, but it's batting, striking, using a racket. If you're a golfer, hey, golfers strike the ball. If you have a little safe area to do that, go ahead. I live in a dead-end corner, so it's safe for me to play in a dead-end corner. Make sure you have a safe place to play, to do these activities on your driveway, in your garage, wherever your mom and dad say it's okay for you to play. But for us, we're on
I like the way he
corner.
emphasizes
Absolutely
safety.
No traffic. So are you ready?
All right, let's see how they do. Marin, nice bump. Ooh, I like the hitting right there. Good control. Look at the footwork. Nice work with the arm. We did that in the winter, if you remember. Now they're going to go to
a pickleball racket.
A racket.
You can do hand-eye coordination, because if you notice what we do a lot in the spring, hand-eye coordination and working with our feet with jump roping, and then getting into what we did the last 2 weeks with throwing and catching. Now we're still a lot of hand-eye coordination with the racket, with striking, with batting, with golfing. So you ready?
Absolutely. So Northpoint, they do a lot of the same things we do in the spring. I like the control. Look at the footwork. Look at the nice, easy control. Again, a great sport you can play anywhere.
All right. My next sport when I'm retired is this right here, pickleball. All right. Have a good day, Northpoint.
And absolutely. Thank you, Mr. Wallinga. Thank you, Marin, for showing us some great striking and hitting skills. And we hope you have a great week this week as well, Park Terrace. And I think I'll be doing that when I retire as well. Have a great day. Have a great week. And send me those videos.